Setting a goal for your email marketing efforts forces you to articulate how investing in this marketing tool will support your business goals, and then determine whether or not it did. But in addition to this broad strategic goal, each email or campaign you send should have its own goal.
I'm London, and this is Darlene, and we're going to explain how to set a basic goal for a marketing email by answering 3 questions.
First, what do you want your subscribers to do when they receive the email? In a nutshell, why are you sending this email in the first place? Are you hosting an event that you want to sell tickets for, or are sales down and you're looking for more customers?
Answering this question will help you define your call to action, or CTA. A CTA should be very clear and easy for your subscribers to act on.
For example, if you want to boost sales, then you want your subscribers to visit your site, shop, and buy. In this case, a great CTA would be a Shop Now button in your email.
Once you define your CTA, you have to identify which subscribers you're going to send your emails to. Now, this step does require a little target audience analysis, but if you can answer that question, it can help you in a few ways.
For example, understanding where your subscribers are most likely to read your emails guides your design. If you know they frequently read emails on their phones, then having a mobile responsive design would be important.
It's also important to know where a subscriber is in the customer journey with you. I mean, you wouldn't want to send a "we miss you" email to a customer who's a frequent shopper.
The more specific you can get about who you're sending the email to, the more targeted your design and content can be.
Finally, how will you measure the success of your email? If you really want to know whether the email's achieved its goal, you have to think beyond the basic email metrics.
Tracking metrics like view rates or click-throughs are important, but they don't necessarily indicate whether your email met its goal.
When trying to answer this question, go back to the first question. What do you want subscribers to do when they read your email? Register for an event, visit the website, buy something from you?
If the goal of the email is to promote sales, and its CTA is a Shop Now button, then the most accurate measure of success for the email is, did it increase sales? If a subscriber clicks on the link but doesn't purchase anything, it's not quite the same.
So to recap, to set a simple email marketing goal, ask yourself, what do I want my subscribers to do when they receive this email? Who should receive this email? And how will I measure the success of my email?
That's London. I'm Darlene. Now let's get going.